Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a ThinkPad L14, the Gen 5 series Intel version. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now, after you have removed all screws from the bottom case, you also have to remove the SIM card tray on the back of the laptop. Once that's done, we can start prying the bottom case off of the rest of the computer. It's best to use your small flat plastic pry tool and start in the rear near one of the two hinge assemblies. Pry the back edge off first, and then work your way down each side, along each side to pry those sides up. After that, you don't need to pry the bottom case off in the front. You just pick the bottom case up from the rear, slide it to the front, and it will come out from underneath these clips, and that way you can remove your bottom case. After removing your bottom case, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any suggestions for tools or supplies for your project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this exact model computer, the L14, there will be a link above, also below in the description. That will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. Now, before I do anything in a computer, I always either remove or at least unplug my battery. Computers are safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen with all the tools and replacement parts for this computer. It's held in by 3 screws and it plugs into the motherboard here near the green arrow. Now, in order to get this out, try not to pull on wires or cables. This goes for any wires or cables in a computer. You can damage them, or sometimes if you pull too hard, they can come right out of the plug. So if at all possible, just put force on the plug itself. So you can wiggle it right out of this port on the motherboard by pulling it to the right out of that port. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed, or again, at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. You have this speaker here near the bottom right of my screen that is wired, connected to this speaker on the bottom left of my screen. And that speaker goes through here and plugs into the motherboard right there. Now, speaker wires are a little more fragile even than the battery wire, so definitely don't pull on the wire if you're looking to unplug this. Just use your fingernails or a pry tool to get that out of that port. I will try to have some speaker replacement options below in that link I told you about with all of the replacement parts for this computer, but they can be hard to find for this model. If you're looking to take these out, these are not screwed down. You see these little rubber blue washers on these posts for sound insulation? That's all that's holding them down. So you can wiggle those right up if you're looking to take it off. Another word of caution, if you are replacing a component like this, make sure you run the wires exactly as it's seen here under all the threading. So pause the video or take a picture of your computer if the model's a little different. You don't want to run these wires outside of exactly how it's supposed to be run. They could get pinched when you put your bottom case back on. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're having sound quality issues, if your audio is not consistent across different areas in your computer, it could be a system or driver issue. Your speakers could be okay. So in that case, try troubleshooting first. I will have a video link below in the description. It'll show you how to fully update Windows 10 or Windows 11, depending on which one you're using, so you can make sure that your system and drivers are all updated. Maybe you can fix your issue that way and not have to come in here for an invasive repair like this. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the L14 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.